Hey guys, Ryan with the third video for the night. I'm going to be bringing you guys a bike check, because I never really had a proper one, and Elijah did, so I felt a little jealous. So now I'm making one. So we pretty much have the same bikes. They're both Subrosa Tiros 2015, but mine's the normal one, his is the XL. I was meant to get an XL, but I didn't realize there was an XL. I just wanted the biggest version they had. I thought it was this, but I done goofed. But I still love this baby. So let's get into it. I got this back in, April or May, one of those two. And everything's stock except for these purple ODIs I got. Excuse the TV playing in the background, even though you can't hear the noise because I muted it. Oh god, this bike fell. Hold on, guys. Alright, we're back. So yeah, I got some purple ODIs, and they were long necks, but I meant to get soft necks, and I done goofed again, so I just cut the edges off. And yeah. So, the only other things that are different is I got some stickers, but I'll talk about that later. So, let's get into the bike. It's not all subrosa. The frame is indeed subrosa, and the front forks, stem, and headset. At least I believe the headset's a subrosa. Yeah. All those are subrosa. Then the seat is also a subrosa. The pedals, the rim, sorry, accidentally paused it. Pedals, rim, crank, sprocket, handlebars, and, yeah, all those are all rant. And the stock grips were shadow grips, but I got ODIs. Not sure what the chain is, but I know the sprocket's rant. So I assume it's like some type of rant chain. And I'm eventually gonna get the outer tires switched to purple, like my ODIs. And then the pedals, which I already found a nice pair of at the Rye field. I want to get pedals to the same purple. And also at Rye, they had a purple chain. I'm going to get two. I'm going to change the tires, pedal, and chains all to purple. Because they didn't have a purple one, so I'm just going to transform it to purple. But, yeah. Oh, yeah, and sorry. This doesn't really make much difference, but it's not all stock. They had rant headset bolts, but mine really got stripped except for this one. So I replaced all four, and they're just from Tractor Supply. Same with Elijah's. So, yeah. Now to the stickers. Default sticker. The best sticker on the bike. Can't really see it that well. It says, come on, Subrosa forever, forever Subrosa. It's kind of hard to see. Rant. And, oh, don't fall. Got a nice Subrosa sticker there. This one I put on, because I got from Dan's Comp. This one I put on. Got a nice little Subrosa logo on the seat. This Hoopla sticker we actually got at Ryerfield. Elijah bought me it. Thank you, Elijah. Bought me it for $1. He put his like right here. Put mine right here. Sadly, there's not one on the other side though. Because I only got one. But yeah, and then there's a sticker below it. And it already got scratched. But oh well. And then we got a little front stem thing. But yeah, that's pretty much my bike. Here, you can hear how it sounds. Here, let's see if I can get you a better sound. Ready? So yeah, that's my bike, guys. Peace.